Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll know how to secure information from clipboard. Basically we'll try to understand how to secure text view, edit text and the information that gets captured in clipboard. So what are the information lies in clipboard? How those information get stored in clipboard? Let's first understand them. Generally we use edit text or text view. Where we show some information and then we select copy and paste option. So whenever we do copy and paste, then that information gets stored in the clipboard of the phone. That means it is available to all the application in the phone, including your application. So that can be accessible to the security threat, because the application there can be several applications which can cause security threats. So that clipboard information also accessible to them. So it's our job to secure those information. And how it can damage? If the information contains sensitive if the information is sensitive information like password, credit card or debit card details, then those things can be used for wrong purposes by these threat applications without our knowledge. Basically or generally we use in Android we use edit text to enter any information by the user. Like one example will be we have seen some screen, payment gateway screen, where we need to enter the credit card or debit card details, CVV. So credit details in the sense it can be the name, number and CVV. So those informations that thing gets or that thing is developed using edit text. So edit text is used for that, to capture information from the user. And security threat can be there. Now let's understand how we can secure those edit text or text view. First, there are four approaches. One is, if we make the input type as a password, any type of password we can say, or means one will be text password or web password. So there are 4 or 5 different types of input type for password. So if we use any of them, then no need to do anything else, it will get secure. And in that case user cannot see the entered details as well. Then second way will be disabling the long press. Generally to copy or some information or cut some information, we press and hold. If we disable that, then information cannot be copied or cut. Third one will be custom actionable mode. If we customize the action mode, then user is allowed for long press, but there we can also disable the copy and paste options. Also we can remove the options. And fourth approach is that to change the information in clipboard. That means we are saying that we have allowed the information to be copied, but we want to means we will change the information in clipboard itself, so that whoever will be accessing, they will get in different way, means they will not get the exact information. So first approach, using input type password. So left side we are saying that how we have mentioned how we have made the change, or what is the source code required, and the right side is the result output. And here you can see that when we put Android colon input type equal to text password, then our result edit text, there whenever I entered some number, we can see that there will be dot 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 instead of the numbers. And if you do the long press, then you will get paste option. Cut and copy option is disabled. In this way, we are saying that our information will not go outside. We can bring information here, means we can paste something into the password, but no one can copy the information present in the password or present in that edit text. Second approach that we discuss, disabling long press. That thing we can achieve by setting long clickable as false. In that case, you will not get that menu option. For that, cut, copy or paste or share, that menu will not be visible to the user. And yeah, this third approach, set custom action mode. Here we have created one action mode, and where inside the on create action mode we have removed cut and copy option, and we have set it to the last, that edit text, where set it to the custom selection action mode callback. There we have set this, and right side is the result. Here we can see that the number whatever we have entered, we can see it where it is a regular edit text. But when you will press and hold or do the long press, you can see paste and share option, but there is no cut and copy option, as we have already removed in create action mode. Similarly, we can customize the view of the menu using that custom actionable mode, custom action mode callback. In this way also we can secure the edit text. And then change information in clipboard. So let's say we have got a requirement where whatever the means we want that to allow, we want to allow that copy and paste option, but inside our app, maybe from one screen to another screen, or maybe in the same screen we will have different field. We want to allow the copy and paste option in them, but we don't want those detail will get accessible to the others, means outside world. Whenever we copy or paste, that time there is one action happens internally, that is clip change. So we can get to know whenever any such thing happens, maybe in our app or outside, by using clipboard manager. So in the clipboard manager we need to add the listeners to get those details, or where we can get the latest information that gets copied. Also we can change it, like we can say that we'll encrypt it and send it. So wherever we are pasting it, they will get the encrypted data, encrypted and encoded, and they cannot use it if they don't have the password field. If they don't have the decryption key. So and that thing we can do by using clipboard manager dot set primary clip. Here we have made those changes, and in that case, if you copy and paste, you will get the different data. Whatever data you have entered, that thing you cannot see. Then that will be additional processing will be required, or in the recipient end we need to decrypt. So that's why using the or changing the information in clipboard also we can restrict it. Now let's see that how means let's see in we can say the program whatever we have written, how it works, or how it behaves. Let's yeah, here we have created one sample application where first edit text is the unsecured text, where we can enter the number. Let's say I have written 56558, and then I can enter anything, and I can do long press. There I can see cut, copy, paste and share. So I can copy it. Let's go to messaging. This is outside my app. This is other applications. I paste it. So we can see that copied information. Now we need to restrict that. So first approach that we learned, that using password, input type password. Let's here I write some different 1 2 3 4, and let's try to copy paste. Copy option is not available. That means the data will not be going outside my app. Now second one, the disabling the long click. Let's check that. Here let's write 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I've pressed the long click, but nothing happens. No menu option for at all. So in this way also we can secure. Then third approach is set custom action mode. We have created the action mode where we have disabled or removed the option of copy and paste. Sorry, cut and copy. So let's write here 2 5 6 7 8. Now press and hold. We can see call option is there, share, paste, but we cannot see the cut or copy. And final will be by clipboard. Let's say here we write, let's say I have entered 5 6 7 9. Now let's copy this outside. I paste it. Now we can see this is some encoded format. As we have already changed the information here, like if we see in code, clipboard manager dot set primary clip, and the new data, that means here I have retrieved the old data and did the encoding to get the new data and set that new data. So that means the old data gets lost for others or for everyone. Similarly, we can add encryptions and then encoding and make it secure. So These are the different ways to make the information secure in our edit text or text field. Thank you.